The United States' history of imperial expansion is well documented, with the country ruthlessly crushing popular resistance movements and installing client regimes, subservient to its interests across Central and South America, Africa, and Asia. These campaigns have resulted in the deaths of millions. In Latin America, US-backed military dictatorships and paramilitary death squads took power from 1964 to 1990, slaughtering over 500,000 people to cement an imperial-centered system of accumulation. Similar interventions in Africa killed millions more, paving the way for the extraction of mineral wealth and the consolidation of client states. The current phase of this imperialist agenda has seen the embrace of the Israeli model of occupation and control, with the widespread and systematic use of torture in Iraq directly influenced by Israel's oppression of the Palestinian people. Prominent Zionist ideologues have provided the legal and intellectual justification for these criminal methods, undermining democratic norms and the rule of law. The revelation of the American Murder Incorporated, a clandestine network of assassins, engaged in extrajudicial killings and abductions across the globe, further underscores this disturbing trend, which is the logical extension of the Israeli state's own long history of such practices. As the costs of this imperial overreach mount, the American public has turned against the occupation of Iraq, opening the door to a long overdue reckoning. However, the pro-Israel lobby remains a formidable force, ready to deploy its tactics against any who would challenge the empire's unholy alliance with the Jewish state. The path forward is clear. The United States must extricate itself from the destructive embrace of Israeli interests and reaffirm its commitment to human rights, international law, and the basic tenets of democracy. Anything less will ensure that the American imperium, like past empires, is ultimately undone by the very brutality it has embraced.